Okay, I'll tell you about emergence. I was traveling in my car yesterday listening to a podcast. And Vlado Nikolov, a very famous volleyball player, was there, answering a question about his former team in France. And he said, we had a great success, great wins. We won lots of titles. But the reality is that we did that despite the fact that we didn't have enough capability, enough capacity, enough talent as players. The team is the emergence of players. It's a thing which, let's say, properties cannot be explained by the properties of the elements. In this case, the properties of the super great team cannot be explained by the properties of the players. According to him, they didn't have enough capacity, talent, etc. And I was thinking about Agile. In the past, in the good old days, we were talking about one emergence, the team, how to make it high performing. Now we talk about business agility. With the time, this team high performance became not enough. The next emergence was the team of teams, scaling. And now we are in the era where all kinds of disasters, all kinds of changes, uncertainty happens. So we need to talk about emergence in terms of the whole business and actually looking, every one of you here, the whole ecosystem of businesses. And this is the goal of this event, to help you get some solutions, as you can see, to make this emergence close to the high-performing state.